My husband and I had 3 daughters, and several years ago we found out we were expecting our 4th. Went in for just really a routine ultrasound. I was about 17 or 18 weeks pregnant, and the ultrasound technician could tell pretty quickly that something was drastically wrong with the pregnancy and called the doctor in, and it turned out really that her kidneys just hadn't developed the way that they were supposed to, which had caused this kind of domino effect with other issues. So there was no amniotic fluid and her lungs weren't developing, and they suggested that I terminate the pregnancy. The next day, they actually asked me to schedule an abortion for the following day. My husband and I prayed about it. We had a second opinion the following morning just to make sure that another doctor was seeing what they had told us they were seeing, and he did. And of course, we really felt like the Lord was saying, carry her. You know, this is my child, and we wanted him to have his will for that baby's life. And so we carried her, and I delivered her when I was about 32 or 33 weeks pregnant. She lived for 2.5 hours and was just an amazing gift to us in that short amount of time. I love to say that we just loved her a lifetime's worth in that short amount of time. And I think the best thing I could say is just that we really ultimately felt like that was God's decision, and we did maintain hope throughout the entire pregnancy. In fact, there were a couple of appointments where we went back in, and some of the things that they said couldn't medically change did change, you know. And at first they said we don't see 4 chambers in her heart, she doesn't have a bladder, she doesn't have this or that. And we went in, and I'll just never forget the technician who was doing it saying, I've read your medical charts and I know what it says, but she has a bladder and here it is, and we're not seeing what we thought we would with her kidneys, and I can't explain this to you. And then at the end of it, kind of moving the wand up and saying, you know, and I remember her just kind of taking a breath and saying, she's got 4 chambers in her heart. We didn't see them. And in that moment, just feeling that sense of peace of God whispering over us, I'm doing something in a secret place that you cannot fully understand. And so that hope really sustained us. And as we know now, that was not God's will for her life, but I have every reason to believe that we had her for exactly as long as her life was intended to be. And I think anyone who would see the pictures of us with her and my sweet little girls holding her, and, you know, even after she passed away, asking, can we play this little piggy on her toes, you know, loving her, would certainly never question that decision. That was every bit their sister.